So you sat there thinking, yeah, but if I keep doing how-tos, Alan, won't I just give away all the trade secrets? And why will they use me? That's why I'm sipping my cup of tea and telling you why it's important to lead with value. Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Alan Spicer, your YouTube certified expert. And if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there onto the second largest search engine on the internet, you should click subscribe. Start creating. Now this video is a little bit different. Normally I talk to the small YouTuber and the creator, but today I'm going to talk a little bit about business, so please bear with me, but this will help you. Have to be fueled by caffeine first, so let's take a swig. So many of the clients that come to me say, Alan, you always tell me to create how-to content, to give away the secret sauce that is my job. If I tell them how to do my job, why are they going to use me to do that job? I have 280 odd tutorials on this channel over the course of nearly 2 years. And within that period of time, you've learnt who I am, what I can do, the knowledge that is in my head, and you've learnt, more importantly, to trust what I say, my skill base, and you know that I can help you. Now, I understand that you're worried that if you're showing them step by step on how to get out a tripod, get their camera, and take flat lay photography, that you may lose clients. But if you're teaching someone to do it and they're really willing to do it themselves, then they wasn't going to employ you or anybody else in your space in the first place. They were there to learn. But what you have done is shown your students that you are worth learning from, and in the long term that you can maybe sell them a training course. But the business that wants to use you now can see that you know the knowledge, you know how to do that camera shot, you know how to do flat lay photography, and therefore your knowledge is worth hiring. I know how to plumb a sink. I know how to change a light switch. I know how to hang a door, but I'm still going to use a professional to do it because I might not do it 100% perfectly, and I don't want my door falling off. I don't want a leak heading into my kitchen. I don't want to fall off a bridge taking a photo of a duck as a boat flies by with my client in it. I don't want to ruin my life. I don't want to break my leg. And the same goes for any business leading with value online. You're here, you trust me, I've helped you with the tutorial, you've subscribed to me. In the long run, you might somewhere down the line want to hire me for my knowledge, and you know that I helped you with this one specific issue, and you taught me one specific thing about how to do a light switch, how to hang a door, how to grow your YouTube channel online using how-to videos, and you trust in my knowledge. So you're going to pick up the phone, you're going to drop me an email, or you're going to purchase one of my products, one of my packages, or you're going to listen to my recommendation, because although you've learnt the skills from me, when I suggest that you get a Rode microphone and a Canon 200D and a tripod, you're going to use my recommendation, my review, and you're going to use the affiliate link in the description down below. You need to think outside the box. Yes, you might lose 1, 2, 3 clients that necessarily didn't have the budget or wanted to learn the skill for themselves, but you build an ethos around yourself. You build the teacher aura. When you was at school, even though you'd mastered algebra, did you then stop listening to your teacher? If you had a problem with a specific thing, did you not go, okay, well I learned algebra, so therefore physics should be fine, so I won't talk to that teacher? No, you went to them for help. Or if you had the money, you hired a private tutor. If I want to learn to play a guitar, I could do it on YouTube. I could use YouTube tutorials, or I could use Jeff down the way, who's actually a music teacher who will help me because I've got the money and I'm willing to do so. Leading with value may lose you an immediate customer now, but it builds your brand so much stronger that in the long run you'll find bigger fish that want more from you. That's what happened to me. 2 years ago, I started teaching YouTube after 8-9 years in web development. Now, I'm self-sustaining. I am full-time on YouTube at the point of only 3,000 subscribers. And I did that by leading with value. And you can do it too. Go out there, start creating.